Am I the only one who didn't know slugs are basically snails without shells? It's like they decided to leave their homes behind and go on an adventure. Imagine waking up one day and thinking, you know what? I don't need the shell anymore. That's essentially what slugs are doing. They're the minimalist nomads of the mollusk world. Let's take a closer look. Alright, first things first. We need to understand what makes a slug. Well, a slug. These creatures are more than just the slimy beings you might find in your garden after a rainstorm. They have a whole world of their own, filled with unique characteristics and behaviors. What exactly is a slug? You might be surprised to learn that slugs are part of the mollusk family, which also includes snails, clams, and even octopuses. That's right. These seemingly simple creatures are related to some of the most fascinating animals in the ocean. Slugs are fascinating creatures, part of the mollusk family. They belong to the class Gastropoda, which is the largest class of mollusks. This class includes both slugs and snails, and they are known for their muscular foot, which they use to move around. The term gastropod actually means stomach foot, which is a pretty accurate description of how they move. Think of them as snails who forgot their shells at home. But it's not just about forgetting. Over time, slugs have evolved to lose their shells for various reasons. Some scientists believe that losing the shell allows slugs to move more easily through tight spaces and to burrow into the ground to escape predators. It's a trade-off that has worked well for them. They come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny ones you barely notice to some as big as a banana. The banana slug, for example, can grow up to 9 inches long. That's almost as long as a standard ruler. These slugs are not only large but also brightly colored, which makes them stand out in their natural habitats. But slugs aren't just some random gooey critters. They have a significant role in the ecosystem. They are decomposers, which means they help break down dead plant material and turn it into nutrient-rich soil. This process is crucial for the health of our gardens and forests. They play a crucial role in the ecosystem. Without slugs, we would have a lot more dead plant material lying around, which could lead to a buildup of organic matter and potentially harmful bacteria. Slugs help keep the environment clean and healthy. They help break down decomposing materials, turning them into rich soil. This process is known as decomposition, and it's one of the most important functions in nature. By breaking down dead plants and animals, slugs help recycle nutrients back into the soil, which in turn supports new plant growth. So, next time you see a slug, thank it for helping your garden grow. These little creatures are like nature's recyclers, working tirelessly to keep our environment healthy. They might not be the most glamorous animals, but they are certainly some of the most important. There are many families of slugs, but let's talk about the two most common, the land slugs and the sea slugs. Land slugs are the ones you're most likely to encounter in your backyard or garden. They thrive in moist environments and are often found under rocks, logs, and other debris. Land slugs are what you typically find in your backyard. They are well adapted to life on land and have developed various strategies to survive. For example, they produce a thick layer of mucus that helps them retain moisture and protects them from predators. This mucus also helps them move smoothly over rough surfaces. Sea slugs or nudibranchs are the flamboyant cousins living under the sea. These creatures are known for their bright colors and intricate patterns, which can be quite stunning. Nudibranchs are found in oceans all over the world, from shallow reefs to deep sea environments. They come in vibrant colors and wild patterns. Super cool, right? These colors and patterns are not just for show. They serve as a warning to potential predators that the nudibranchs are toxic or unpalatable. Some nudibranchs even incorporate toxins from their prey into their own bodies, making them even more dangerous to predators. And here's a fun fact. Slugs have both male and female reproductive organs. This means they are hermaphrodites, which allows them to mate with any other slug they encounter. This increases their chances of finding a mate and reproducing, which is especially important for species that are spread out over large areas. That's right, they can mate with any other slug they meet. Talk about convenience. This reproductive strategy is quite efficient and ensures that slugs can continue to thrive in various environments. After mating, slugs lay their eggs in moist, protected areas, where the young slugs will have their best chance of survival. So, next time you spot a slug, give it a closer look. You might be surprised by what you see. Their bodies are covered in a layer of mucus that helps them move and protects them from drying out. This mucus also contains chemicals that can deter predators, making slugs a bit more formidable than they might appear at first glance. They're more than just slimy blobs, they're essential, fascinating members of the natural world. Slugs have been around for millions of years and have adapted to a wide range of environments. They are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life on Earth. Thanks for joining me on this slippery journey. I hope you've gained a new appreciation for these incredible creatures. Whether you find them in your garden or see them in the wild, remember that slugs play a vital role in our ecosystems. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more nature adventures. There's so much more to explore and learn about the natural world, and I can't wait to share it all with you. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.